She just got out of surgery.
You want to lick it? No.
House just arrived. Let it fall. That's it? That's it?
Do you want some more?
This is what a lockpicking competition looks like.
Perfect. It's already up to 33 seconds. Like,
She had pride and all that shit. I was like,
Yes,
you know what's
you
going
did.
through the top row? Tack, 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 tack.
of course, of course.
Oh.
He was preparing for the biggest jump of his life. This car went through a red light at one of the worst times possible. I had no idea a bouquet toss could be so serious. Poor delivery robot got nervous crossing the street. They really got together and decided to hang out. For some reason, everyone keeps tripping on the same step. She was trying to slap him with a tortilla. I think he's training for the Olympics.
Oh, vou dar uma deixa eu dar, deixa eu dar, deixa eu dar, não, deixa eu dar, deixa eu dar, deixa eu dar, deixa eu dar. Eu vou falar, olha, ciências, aí na educação física mais
Tá vendo? Quando eu consigo fazer vocês prestarem atenção, as bolas me atrapalham. Até as bolas. Até as bolas estão contra mim.
This dog somehow knows how to play Connect 4.
Good girl.
That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Traffic enforcement didn't believe he could park in the disabled parking spot, so he had to prove it to them. This cat must be a paid actor to know how to react to this fake knife.
Just come here.
This AI voice kept getting stuck on the same question.
And what will you drink with that?
I want a large Mountain Dew.
And your drink?
is what it feels like to be a firefighter. They were practicing their screams with each other.
Here. Say thank you.
There's a trend where people see if their significant other will match their energy. His dog refuses to eat unless this happens.
Okay. Eat. Go. Swallow. Attack.
He was scared of his own stink. I guess there's no need for 4 wheels if 3 works just fine. This might be the worst ding-dong ditcher of all time. This baby was able to see clearly for the first time ever.
Hi, baby. Hello.
Okay, who in this house wants to go for a car ride?
Someone sent her a text message, and then this happened. I have never seen a cat sit like this.
Super solid. No one's gonna tip you over. They could try, but you'd be like, nah, the stance is too wide for that.
He spotted these dolphins dancing in front of his boat.
Ah, наконец-то!
I think all the cans up there are full. Oh my gosh! You alright?
She just got out of